Today topic is the income effect, income consumption curve. In the IC curve analysis, the budget line should be tangent to a higher IC curve, lower IC curve, middle IC curve, higher IC curve. Each point where the budget line AB1, AB, A2, B2, there are three different budget lines. When income increases, A2, income decreases, A1, at the income, no change at the income, AB. AB is the original budget line. Budget line should be tangent to a higher IC curve, then only consumer will be in the equilibrium. The income effect, change in income of the consumer can affect the equilibrium position of the consumers. Income effect means when the income of the consumer increases, automatically the consumption level, the purchasing levels of the consumer will also increase. If the income falls of the consumer, he will purchase lesser quantity of good X and Y. The combination of good X and Y can be reduced because of falls of income. When the income rises, automatically he may purchase more number of goods, higher combination of good at X and Y. Lower level of satisfaction when the income falls leads to lower level of satisfaction, that is budget line tangent to the lower IC. This is lower IC. Budget line lower IC. We can get equilibrium at this point, P1 point. When the income rises, we will reach the higher equilibrium point. The income consumption curve can be derived by joining different equilibrium levels of the consumer at different levels of income. Income rises, goes up, income decreases, goes down. Right? This is the original budget line tangent to the IC curve. This higher IC curve, this is lower IC curve. P1 is the lower, P2 is the higher. While prices being constant, various levels of income without change in the price levels of the goods, the combination of good X and Y can be changed. On OX axis we measure commodity X, on OY axis we measure commodity Y. By joining different equilibrium positions of the consumer, we will get income consumption curve, ICC curve. So what is ICC curve? Income consumption curve. What it represents? Income effect of the consumer. So income effect and ICC curve analysis, the consumer changes behavior, changes consumption pattern by the changes in his income levels can be measured by income consumption curve. Prices being constant, if the income of the consumer falls, he can buy lesser quantity. He can buy lesser quantity of good X and Y. When prices being fall down, he gets lower satisfaction. Because of that, lower budget line is tangent to the lower IC curve, will get equilibrium here, lower equilibrium. When the income increases, his purchasing power may also goes up. So the IC curve equilibrium of the consumer will be shifted to P2. So when we join different equilibrium points of the consumer, we will get income consumption curve. While prices being constant, only changes in the income can be measured by income consumption curve when there is no changes in the price.